Luxury cars are often seen as symbols of success, but have you ever considered whether they're truly worth the hefty price tag? Many people dream of owning high-end vehicles like Mercedes-Benz, but before you make that decision, there are some things you should know. In this video, we'll dive into the hidden costs and potential downsides of owning a Mercedes-Benz and why it might not be the best investment for you. Let's get started. Number 1. High maintenance costs. Owning a Mercedes-Benz means you'll be paying a premium for maintenance and repairs. Basic services, like oil changes or fuel filter replacements, can cost hundreds of dollars. More significant repairs can add up to thousands. Even simple tasks can require costly parts and specialized labor. Unlike more affordable cars, Mercedes vehicles are designed with complex systems that are expensive to maintain. If you're not ready for the financial commitment, a Mercedes may not be the right choice for you. Number 2. Overly complex technology. Mercedes-Benz cars come with a ton of advanced technology, but sometimes it's just too much. From complicated infotainment systems to an overwhelming number of buttons, these features can be difficult to use. Most owners don't even fully understand how half of the gadgets work. Instead of enhancing your driving experience, this excessive technology can become more of a hassle. The complexity also means higher repair costs when something breaks down, making the ownership experience less enjoyable. Number 3. Poor gas mileage. Mercedes-Benz cars often prioritize performance over fuel efficiency, which means they tend to have poor gas mileage. Many models, especially those with powerful engines like V8s, can struggle to hit 12 miles per gallon. While you get power and luxury, it comes at the expense of your wallet. Frequent trips to the gas station can quickly add up, especially as fuel prices rise. If fuel efficiency is a priority, a Mercedes may not be the best choice. Number 4. Gadgets galore. Mercedes-Benz cars are packed with gadgets and high-tech features, but many of them aren't essential. From countless buttons to complex systems, owners often find themselves overwhelmed and frustrated. Most people don't even use half of the features, and figuring out how to operate some can take time. Instead of enhancing your driving experience, these gadgets add unnecessary complexity, and when they break, repairs can be costly, making the ownership experience more stressful than enjoyable. Number 5. Low resale value. One of the major downsides of owning a luxury car like a Mercedes-Benz is its rapid depreciation. While you might love the idea of owning a luxury vehicle, these cars lose their value quickly after purchase. Within just a few years, the cost of maintaining and repairing a Mercedes often outweighs its resale value. Unlike more affordable vehicles, which tend to hold their value over time, a used Mercedes can significantly drop in price, leaving you with a much lower return when it's time to sell or trade it in. Number 6. Leasing. If you're attracted to the idea of owning a luxury car but don't want to deal with long-term maintenance or depreciation, leasing could be the right choice for you. Leasing a Mercedes-Benz allows you to drive a new car every few years, enjoy the luxury experience, and avoid the burden of costly repairs. Plus, you won't have to worry about the car losing value. Leasing offers a more affordable way to experience a luxury car without the long-term financial commitments, which can be ideal if you like variety or want to drive the latest models. While a Mercedes-Benz may offer luxury and prestige, the high maintenance costs, poor fuel efficiency, and complex technology make it a less practical choice for most people. If you're looking for a reliable, affordable car, consider alternatives that offer better long-term value. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care and drive smart.